So if you got these two equations, you minus them. So 3y minus 3y is 0. And then 13x minus 7x is 6x. You add them together. 52 minus 10 is 42. And then you divide both of the equations by 6. So x equals to 7. And then you bring it to one of the equations. So let's say 7x is 7 plus 3y equals 10. 7 times 7 is 49. And then plus 3y equals 10. And then you minus both of the equations by 49. So you get 3y equals negative 39. And then you divide both of the equations by 3. So you isolate the y. So y is equals to negative 13. And then the final answer is y equals to 7. No, x equals to 7, y equals to negative 13.